making pretty good progress. Got all that in. Seatbelt. Can't fully tighten that bolt because my bit is just ass. But these things right here, they hold the back of the back seat. And the seatbelt, they're 3 8mm bolts, and there's this rubber thing in here. And I learned to put the rubber thing in before you put the the holder on. And you can see this little hook thing that goes onto the metal part. Yeah, it's just much easier to put the rubber on. That's funny. High five. No. Look at that. Interior's all in. Sorta. Not the door panel. Or that thing. Why are you flashing? Or these. Either side. Yeah. All seats. Floor. Oh, I found this. Crammed in the seat right here. Got me a Jameson bottle opener. Ooh, real nice. Headliner is looking scrumptious. Still ain't got the speaker covers on. You want to see my favorite part? Watch this. Bam! There's the filter. And this is 100% JDM custom electrical wire and tape. There we go. So yeah. And go farther down on the, or farther up, I guess, on the bed liner, because I obviously didn't. Both sides, center console, and in the back. You can see that. Yeah, I gotta go to the store, give me some super glue because I broke this, and the thing that goes in there, and gotta buy me this thing that's also broken. Alright, next, head gasket.